I'm gonna show you a way to make a lot of money very quickly using Google Maps. And this is a very easy 4-step process. It's a little different than some of my other videos. It's not exactly affiliate marketing, but I'll show you. You can still make a lot of money doing this, $100 anywhere in the world very easily. I'm gonna go over the research, okay, to find the people that we are going to reach out to. We are going, and how we can make these people a killer proposition. But we have to show you how to do the research first. Basically, anybody will buy this. And then I'm going to show you how to literally fulfill the work, copy, paste, and make a lot of money. So this is teaching you how to really start your own local marketing agency using a really crazy hack using Google Maps. So check out this video. I'm going to be walking you through step by step on my computer. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, there we go. So let's get on this. The way we're going to start with this is we are going to look for people on Google Maps that have not set up their maps listing. Now, if you're a local business who has not set up your internet listing with Google, you are missing out of a lot of traffic, of a lot of business. And these are the people that we're going to help, because there's a lot of local business owners who have no clue about technology. Honestly, no freaking clue. And what we're going to do for them is really simple, but as I said, most brick and mortar business owners are older. They don't know how to use technology. Some of them don't even, they're very averse to technology, especially in some of these like flyover states in America or like smaller towns. But there's can be a lot of money. You can do this anywhere in the world. So really all you need is an internet connection for this, because the way we're going to be receiving money is having them send money directly to our PayPal accounts. So you can do this anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are. And again, this is a little different than affiliate marketing. This is really starting your own local marketing agency and getting paid for doing it. Let's get on this. So here I am looking in kind of a medium-sized town in Wisconsin. I just did a search for dentist in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And it's a very white area. People make a lot of money. People have a lot of money there. There's like 100,000 people that live there. So, and as you see, dentist gets searched for 210 times a month. But what we're interested is we're gonna go into the maps results right there, okay? Or you could click on that map screen. And what we'll do is we're gonna click around. You can do this with almost any city in the world. You just pick and choose. This is the research part, okay? So we'll click around and we're just gonna look around at different things. Okay, they have their website added there, Signature Dental. We'll click on Jerry Cooper. He has his website added. He has his listing. He has his times. Now, here's a result that's interesting. It's Dr. Matt Biston, okay, or Biston, or however you pronounce his name. And we see he has, this is what we're looking for, okay, right here. Check this out. It says claim this business. Now, what that means is that they've showed up, but their business isn't claimed. And what's happening, which is pretty crazy, is Google Maps is getting rid of all of the listings that haven't been claimed. This dentist is not going to show up any longer. And in fact, this dentist is missing out on a lot of business because he doesn't have a website set up. He doesn't have his hours set up. He doesn't have any information. There's a lot of, a lot of missing information. And my guess is the dentist just doesn't know how to add this information, or it's too much work, whatever. But this is where we come in. What we do is we contact this business owner and we're going to walk them through. We're going to send them an email or give them a call and say, hey, I noticed that you don't have your Google Maps listing set up. I was wondering if you'd be interested in me setting up for a low price of $50, and it should bring you a lot more traffic to your website. There's 200 people searching for it. Now, you could offer to do this for him for $20, $50, $100. It's very simple, very easy, and it takes a lot of work off of his plate. Back in the day, I used to work for a company that called National Positions, where I was managing the PPC ads, But what the salespeople were doing, there are about 50 salespeople, they were selling they were doing the exact same strategy I'm talking, well, not the Google Maps strategy. This is a little hack, but they were just calling up people in the Google search results and they were offering to get them ranked higher. But they were charging a minimum of $1,000 a month to local businesses like this dentist. So there's a lot of money. People are willing to spend a lot of money. And if you lead with a foot forward like that, you can help them out. So now, in order to fulfill the work, after you talk to the dentist or send them an email and say, hey, for 20 bucks or for 50 bucks, I can set up your business listing for you. It's very simple from there. All you would do is go to google.com/business, okay? And this is called Google My Business right here. And this is where you will manage the business listings of the clients that you are working with. So we see it says engage with customers on Google for free. And all you have to do is set up your business listing. And you would click this button that says Manage Now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a location. So we're just going to click this button right here. And we are going to type in the business's name, which is already there. So we see Dr. Matt Biston, and we're going to click that. And all we would do to set up his listing is we would walk him through on the telephone. We would ask him to give us some information about his business. So we would just click Manage Now. And we would ask him, we'd say, hey, you're going to get a call or a text from your phone. You schedule a time with him to do this. And you say, okay, Google should have texted your phone number. Can you please let me know the code? He would send you the text verification code, and then you would start adding in the rest of the information to his listing. His hours and all the other information that is relevant, maybe some images, etc. And then he would pay you $20, $50, or $100 for that service. Now, it gets a little better because once you start working with local businesses, there's a lot of money in local businesses still to this day. And dentists make a lot of money. They charge like thousands of dollars for like little operations. Once you've got your foot in the door with a very small thing that you helped him out that shows up immediately in Google Maps, you will have, hopefully created some like goodwill and reciprocity, and you could offer him to do more web services for him to make sure that those 210 people that are searching for him every single month in Sheboygan, he's showing up in front of all of them. And the way you could do that is you could say, hey, I can help you get ranked higher, really get, all of those people coming, not just showing up on the maps, if you let me put some links up for your site. And I could do, I could even set up a better website. If you know how to do the website stuff, you could use ClickFunnels. And there's a lot of other services you can offer them. There's free logo design online. You can do, in other videos I've done on this channel, I've showed you how to make videos for free for businesses online. So you could do all of these things. You could advertise his business, whatever. There's a lot of easy ways to market companies. You can check around this channel. Obviously, I talk about them. And you could charge them more. So now you can go for a bigger amount of money. You could say, for $500 or for $250 a month or for $1,000, you could do these marketing services for him. Now, let me just show you a free place where you can find links you can post for different companies. So here I am on Moz.com, and I'm in an area called Citations by Category, okay? So if you're on Moz.com, you just search Citations by Category. Click that link. Now, what we're going to look for, this has a directory of places where you can list dentists for free. So we're going to click dentists, and we see top citation sources for dentists. And what this is, these are places where we can list Dr. Matt Biston for free. And these sites have a high authority. So we can create a listing for him on Yelp.com for free. We can create a listing for him on yellowpages.com for free. We can create a YouTube channel for him for free. Superpages, Dexnos, Yahoo, Facebook, and Angie's List. All of these places we can list him for free. And it's also going to make his listing in Google skyrocket up to the first page. You can charge a lot of money for this. I said $250 a month or just $1,000 one-time fee, whatever you want to do. You already got the foot in the door. You already did some work for him, and hopefully he will go for what we call in marketing land, the upsell. Now, let me take this one step further, and you can actually turn this into a nationwide business that is automated, where you have full control of the marketing and you can get paid not just a one-time fee or a little monthly fee, but you can get paid thousands or tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. And that's if you're willing to take a little risk of your time, and instead of having upfront money, you are making money for every person who calls into his business. This is called performance marketing. Okay? So instead of charging him to do the work, you're charging him for results. Now, a side note about this is I would get a couple projects under your belt where you've actually just charged people money for doing, SEO work for them, Google listing work for them first, and get your confidence up so that you can create results and phone calls and leads for the businesses you're working with. Now, as you see from this screenshot, this person is generating calls for a towing company, and they are getting paid every phone call. This person gets paid $50 for generating somebody who's interested in having a tower, somebody tow a car. So, in towing, you make like $1,000 every client. So for every $50 that this towing company spends, they make $1,000. And for, the marketer like me who makes $50, we did all this work for free anyway. So it's just recurring money. So it's a win-win-win situation. And also keep in mind, the towing company, they don't want to host their own website. They don't want to mess around with their website. They don't want to try to understand the stuff. They just want results. Every company wants results. And this is why the world's moving to affiliate marketing. So now we're starting to blend affiliate marketing with running a local marketing agency. We're starting to blur the lines because you're getting paid like you're like setting up your own affiliate deal. And you can do this with companies around, whatever country you're in. Let's say you set up Google Maps listings for every single towing company in America. Now you just have them all pay you for phone calls. So that is a very quick primer on how you can get paid daily using Google Maps. There's a bit of research involved. There's a little bit of outreach, but it's very easy to do. The work is just copy, paste. It's just a phone call and you make money doing it. And I even showed you that bonus method of how you can actually create your own affiliate marketing deals with local companies. Now, if you enjoy this and you want to see more about client stuff, type in more client stuff in the comments. If you like the part about creating your own affiliate deals, type in the comments, more about creating affiliate deals or just something like creating affiliate deals in the comments below, because I'd like to know what your thought is. Mostly I talk just about affiliate marketing, but this is an interesting blend of how you can do that. So subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, hit the notification bell, and if you are ready to take your life to the next level, make sure to join that money club. Join the money club. You'll get a lot of extra video content from me, and you'll also get a lot I have some mini courses in there, and you'll get 2 live streams a month where you'll be literally able to interact with me live in my travels around the world or whatever. Ask me questions, have me look at your marketing, whatever you want, it's all there. But as always, make sure, drop out of school, quit your job, take control of your life, turn off all your notifications on your phone, the blinks, the bloops, buzzes, the bleeps, and stop letting social media use you. You use social media. Use it to learn and use it to make money. And take control of your life. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, let's get it.